been a good stay. Haven't had something like this before. This is the stuff you see on Instagram. Oh, soy. Oh, that mangoes, Mama Wong for days. Whakalawha to my coat. Got some early morning visitors here.
Yeah, whakalawha to ko mai mo mali ke mapehe mo John me hana mga whaua. Ka te se whai ke watu ki Thailand.
Yeah.
Aia ke whiriwia me mga whaua. Daniela. Aia, koe. Ore ni ke te toro matu he langi ki a fua ki atu e taha moro toro. Ke hara toro whenau ki munuia na mo mawhora, toro liu mai. How long gonna be away for?
Toro tapu.
Toro whahe tapu ka away, toro liu mai. Aia. Ni whenonga ma John mo te nearo me tau whanau, tu whiriwia ni tore tapu ka liu mai am toro. Wena ia. Pakoi.
Whalawhalahi atu kia mtolu ma John ka koe mo te nearo me whanau. Pino eu ko mamanaki mtolu ke watu ki Thailand. Whakamina hea tua mtolu a whenonga mo e takitaki mtolu a lere he pulangi he pumpungi nei ato hoko ato mtolu ki Thailand. Ko e tole tu la he whanu nei ki Sydney ka. Si hiwa mo e tu la he whanu I Sydney ki Thailand. Ki Thailand haia. Ko ki atua ke mtolu tu sina malolo. Me weke e tau whanau ma John ka watu ke mawhala. Mo li liu mai mai mawhala. Haia. Ko au ai ka hau ke hingoa ke babysit, ko hingoa ke mind ke house sit.
Le veki e whale.
Ke le veki e whale.
Okay, kitchen sit.
Okay, le veki e pusi. Ke le veki e pusi mo hingoa mo whangai whangai e tau e tua kaua hoa ne taka I loto he whale. Haia, John, God bless you and Danny and the kids. On the way to Thailand and also have a safe trip. We meet again in about 3 weeks' time. Yeah? Yeah, go away.
Pakoi. Whakalawha tu mako, o hoko mai mo tolu ki Bangkok. Lole mo tolu. I think we've got some bags missing. But yeah, check into our hotel. Just thought I'd catch you up. This is where we are at the moment. What it looks like. Hiya to Philippines. Alright, hoko mai mo tolu ki Samui. We just landed and we're on a little, I don't know what you call this. What this little vehicle to drive us from the airplane to the airport. Hey Vela, Whanamita. Alright, we'll see you when we get into the next restaurant. Whakalawha tu mako. Today we're in the temple, Danielle's temple. Matua Fafine, I think did I say it? Matua Fafine Tupuna, Mase. Last year, Danielle's grandma passed away last year in Thailand, so we're here. That's the whole reason why I'm in Thailand now. Eima Vehe. She's having like 100 days ceremony, some type of traditional where a spirit comes back. We spend time with her for a few days before she goes back to heaven or wherever. Beautiful spot. We just had the prayer with the monks. It's been a good time. The kids love it. Jackson, man, the kids embrace. They love their Thai side. Yeah, I don't know if you can see out here. Out there, we got all the food. The food, you know, you need a bit of a stomach for it, but we'll go have a look. See if I can get some footage of it. Harry, come on. What's that? Whoa, I don't know. Pita, yeah. Kin lơi. Wow. Huge feast. Nice. Oh, look at that. They've got the chicken. Yum. Wow. Oh, that's like fish. Wow. The kids.กินเลย Yeah, trying to practice my Thai language. It's terrible, but we're getting there. a lot of happy people. But yeah, ahan means food. Gin means eat. Gin ahan means eat food. So yeah, we're eating. Oh, chicken. Kai tot. Kai tot. I learned that word this morning. Kai tot. Fried chicken. Kai tot. That's what's that?
It's egg.
Kai. Yeah, so Indy. Yep. As you guys know, this is my favorite time of the day. Night time. This looks like look at that. That's nice fish. That looks like waka pork. This is the yeah. Yeah. Shucks. Yum yum. What's that one?
ไม่ว่าตายเรายังไม่ได้ถ่ายจริงแม่แดงก็แก้เลย
Suey. Suey. So here now we're just going to bury the ashes because the sino do finito puna. So just gonna put the ashes with the grave.
เอามาเลย20ดึงมาเลย
มีคนยกไหมไม่มี
come in
อวิจจาวัตสังขาราอุปาทวะยะธรรมิโนอุปัฏลูก2 คนลูก3 คนลูกก็
อาจารย์จุสีอันนี้ติดจอบ
This is supposed to afternoon tea. OCFA cold. Yep, had lunch. Now this is close to dinner. Got the four more. Ika falai ika. Puaka. And this puaka. This puaka here is man molu. Duck. Peanuts. Family. Tota midake kai. What's up, cucumber? Huh? Feel. Tamatani, huh? What's up, fam? We're up to the end of the night now. The sun is setting. The band is here, and the family's gonna drink till the morning. Whereas me and the kids might stay for maybe 1 or 2 more hours and then go to sleep. There's the band up there. As you can see behind me, the sun is setting. Awesome sunset. I'm just enjoying myself, enjoying the moment, taking it in. Because this is the second day in Koh Samui. As I know what's waiting back in NZ is cold weather. So this is my rest and relaxation. Regenerate, relax, and then come back and work the year through. hopefully you would have seen the kickboxing vid. So that's you know my kids are doing kickboxing now, so hopefully just racing champions in the kickboxing world. Yeah, I'm in Thailand. Di Mark, Yindi Tidai Rujak, Hom Majak Ti Niue, Hom Chu John Eric, Tamngan Ti Rayaban. Some Thai words I've been learning. Alright, okay, hope you guys are well. Whakalo Fatima Kau, Woi Whale Kai, Aho Hongafu Maua e mō nei. Ko e tau tamaha, ko ke koukou I tahi. Ko ke koukou I tahi, e whila tu au ke suntan. E whila tu au ke koukou. Mangiho e vai. Yep, I'm over here having lunch. Because I don't want to swim in the water if there's no shower. Because I get itchy, sensitive skin. So I thought if I buy something to eat, whānau koukou, si whānau ki aonga e tau koukou. Yeah, after I eat, I'll go have a swim and go use these guys' showers because I don't want to come and kai ha e koukou. Hau ke aonga e koukou, si ei whakatau e tau mena kai. I think we're meant to be going using some jet skis, but I'm not sure what's happening with that. The kids just want to swim first. So I'm just here having lunch. The weather is awesome. We're just doing a lot of things today. Yep. Okay. Hiya. Tofel Kai tot. Okay. We're having chicken. Fried chicken, Thai fried chicken. Ko kai tot with karaoke on the ocean. Oh, alright, whakalo Fatima Kau. I've just checked into my new apartment for tonight. Nah, jokes. It's free shoes. Got the pool just out there. We're walking in. As you can see, it's all home. This place has been designed so it fits in with the rock. So this rock has actually been here for thousands of years, and they've just developed it so that the property is I forget the words. Look, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, so here we have spa pool. Look at that. That's a what do you call those things?
Shower head?
Yeah, from the sky shower. Shower head, if you want to be fancy, it's called shower head. Bathroom, let's see all these rocks. This leads out to a balcony. Shower outside, look at this, look at how they've... If you clap your hands, the curtain will open by itself. No, not that fancy. But yeah, this is our in-laws' famous accommodation. They've got this for 2 nights. It's absolutely amazing. So as we come into here, this is like a couch onto, see that? Onto the rock. And then we're coming here. We're still going. Got another bedroom. I don't know if this is master suite or guest house. Look at that. Look at how the shower is. What the heck? What the heck? Oh. 2 elephants. Towels made into an elephant. This is their private pool. Yeah, we've invited our family to come and stay at our accommodation for a night. Nah, that's this bro. He's staying here. Got the infinity pool. Oh wow. Yeah, it's good to have the family around. This is called the Rock Villa. We're still going. Still haven't finished. Now we're going. See if you work hard, you might be able to get a place like this. I'm in the wrong job though. And now we're coming into this place, which is a kid's room. Another room. Whoa. This is kids' height. I have to crouch. And if you look in here, the aircon's on, and it just comes out to here, which is down here to the pool. Keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. So we're going back in. If you're getting sick of the video, I apologize, but have to show the whole room. Okay, now, oh, another big room. Ah. So this must be another guest house. Aircon on and doors are wide open. That's what happens when you're rich. That's the view out here. Oh my goodness. And if you come up here, this is all private. All of this just for here. So you can have dinner parties. Yep, so we're up here and it goes down to here. So they're just down there. But this is the balcony of this property. If you're ever planning on coming to Thailand, check this out, the Rock Villa. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So another wow. Whare koukou. And paito. You got state of the art. You got Felisa, look, just everything. Look at this. This is kitchen. And then finally, another shower. Long e tau poko, man ai. Fuloa e whale, tō taha mitaki. Eilo e fiha, but peseni, amazing. Look at that. You feel like you're on MTV Cribs. And this is right next door to my in-laws' property. They are on the other side, but yeah, haia, tō tā Fuluala. I hope you enjoyed that little view, but I'm going back to the party. Did you see those chicken, fried chicken? Kaito, that's where I want to be. Okay, tō Whilawai. Ari, you want to say something?
This house is so good.
Alright. And here's the bro here, here's the tangata ni te tongi. Ai o we. Ai inga hoa. Tau se hila. Yeah. Ai. Yeah.
Wow.
Gee. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the grand show. Ah, oh, Niue it is. Wow. Welcome. Welcome to Samui.
It's right here, Dad.
Welcome to... The windows are so clear that you're just going to walk right through.
Yeah, I'm swimming now.
Oh, well. Whakalofa te makau. Today we're having the DJ and his wife Janina, my sister-in-law, their wedding anniversary today. We're up on the rooftop, about to have dinner. Just give you a little 360 view. Fuluala Yahone. It's pretty awesome. So can't wait. We're just waiting on the food to arrive and gonna have an awesome dinner. It's been awesome. Did some kickboxing training this morning and had some food, went for a ride. It's been great. Okay, tofilveia. What has got there? Chicken.
Cow with fried salad.
Okay. What's that?
Beef salad.
Time to eat my salad.
Lemon sand. What's that? Chicken. What's this?
Sausage.
If you want soup, you put this in, but this
Yeah, something.
maybe open. Maybe open.
Yeah.
Noodle.
Noodle.
They don't know.
There's noodle in here with some
But you have to mix it
Oh, dried noodles.
David, look.
with pork.
noodle.
Wow.
You can add soup or eat it just dry like that. Oh, so
If
good.
you want soup, have to boil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get bowl and put
I just
it.
want soup.
Eat some noodle.
You have to do it. Put some in a bowl. And put soup. You say one dish, yeah? You say one.
I don't know what's a plate and what's food. What do you mean? This is my plate.
Look out for Macau. We're at this place called Lotus. The locals call it Lotat. But we've got the kids here. It's like a playground service. You drop them off here while you go do your shopping. Yeah, so the parents have gone out shopping. I'm just here watching the kids. Thailand's been great. It's our in-laws last night tonight, so we're just here doing some shopping, and then later tonight they'll put on a feast. That's another video I'll post up or record, tapaki. I just found out the word for record is tapaki. So to hau e po, tapaki e tau mena kai, e kai matulu. Alright, okay, thanks for watching, keep you updated. Shout out to Big Bowler again. That man is shredded. Keep sending me some vids just to keep me motivated to stay in the game. He sent me vids of his arm workout, so I might have to do that. I've just joined the gym here. I've got a 1-week membership, so each morning I go for a walk and then do some weights. And on the way home, whanau ke whakatau e tau passion fruit mo mango. I'll try and take the camera tomorrow to capture that. But yeah, thanks Paul for the motivation. Also shout out to all the followers watching. I know you've been watching live. But yeah, thanks. Alright. Okay.
You can sit bowl for soup.
That chicken. What's that one? What is that? Gang som. DJ just ate something very spicy. Pakalofa to Macau. Mawhala na kai. Ko au laka hui ki whale whau. Hake ki lunga e la. E loa e kupu rising sun. E loa au. Kohe ki lalo. So peeps, it's awesome morning here. I'm just walking to the gym. I got my membership yesterday. So I'm just going back. The sun is rising and it looks beautiful, but it's hard to get a shot of it to show you guys. Let's see if I can show you. It's rising full walla. Yeah. It's awesome. Whanau ke whau sino ke leveki mana tu haaku. I'm going to the gym. I like to start my day off the gym, so look after my mental health. Coming on holiday is good, but when you're far away, it's like you're with your in-laws. There's different culture. You know, you're a mix of culture and tourist. So it's a bit different. So coming to the gym is like a bit of a normal. That's my normal. It's like my self-care. I also went to get a massage yesterday, and that was awesome. So the cup. Went to get a massage yesterday, and that was awesome too. The father-in-law paid for that, but yeah, might just go to one of the dairies called 7-Eleven and give me some whakatau e Niue. Alright, so we'll be here. Whakalofa to Macau. Ko i 7-Eleven ke whakatau e Niue ke ua mo e dehydration. Alapati Makau, Kuoi Palekai, or Macro. Macro, I'm coming here to buy some passion fruit, but I hate to see how. See? That mangoes, mamawang for days. This is green, this is yellow. Koloki, papaya, pomelo, pomelo, this stuff. Lamnai, I don't know what you call it in English. Pusi, new coconut. This is how much tuna is. 260, 300 grams for 216. So these, I'm not sure. So they do the salmon frames and salmon heads as well. That's how they do their stuff. This tank. This is kind of like the New Zealand style of domos. Got the prawn. And got the guys back here cutting up, cleaning the fish. And this is how they have their meat out. They just put it out like that. See how it's not packaged like the one in New Zealand. See that? It's just all out. Whakatau e tau mango. Tahata la each. I bought 4 mangoes which came to $4, which was $1 each, so I just took it down. Waiting for the kids to wake up now. Whanau ge ala do tama. Still asleep I think. But yeah, awesome. Cheap food, cheap mangoes at least. Yeah. Whakalo whātu Makau. Hoko mai o motolu ki Patuan Pia. O motolu ki nonofo I tau whale I lunga I Moana. So peeps, morning peeps, we're here at the Patuan Pier. We're gonna catch a boat. Hey Ari, we're gonna catch a boat to this place where the accommodation's floating on a dam. I think it's a man-made dam. They were bought by Danielle's mother-in-law, eh? Yep, Saudi Carp. Saudi Carp, that's Kunchurai. Yeah, that's A. This is, that's Niue. I see. We're gonna go around. We're gonna go around here. Gonna catch a boat somewhere around here. O ki Tonga. O hake kia somewhere. Whalu motu, Eiloa. Gonna fly over, right over there. We're just waiting for our flight, our boat. Got the kids. Malona kai, Andy. Malona kai. Ari malona kai. Hey malolo. Mamahi manawa. And they got the tau kai ke whangai e tau ika. Oh yeah. Got some fish food to feed the fish. Got a little guy here. So this is the pier, Patuan Pier. It's hol hiva e mongone. Whakalo whātu Makau. Whakalo whātu Makau, hoko mai mo tolu mang whaua ki accommodation ko hingoa ko Patuan Raft House. Whewhia. We've just arrived at the Patuan. Had to catch a boat over from the pier, and now we've just made it. These are the houses, floating houses. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Siena kai Falu fale ki lunga I moana Nofo a mautou Tau fale e Tau fale kai Patuan Tau fale kai Sei amana ke kai e la mautou Ae tau ika Eilo au ko decoration po ke kai a mautou ke kai e afi nei
Guys, dinner.
Restaurant Foki Ae puhala O mai puhala e So we came through that way on a small Thai boat And that's what it looks like Pretty fancy, that's the kayak
Oh, no, Jackson, get off.
Yep So hola Hong fulu mataha mongo nei No wha mautolu taha e po One night we're staying Fia Vale Aho And yeah, we'll see what lunch is like Aia, tō whilawai
hello my darling, this. I already know what those ones are.
Sub team, we just got back from our kayak trip. We went all the way down there, kayaked all the way there and kayaked back. Just OCA Cocos, finished our shower and then now we're gonna go for dinner at 6. Hawhalima e mangaho nai. Yeah, so that's us. It's good. There's little Jackson with his granddad. Ari's just getting changed and the sunset's coming down now. They said no swimming after 6. I think that's when the anacondas come out and they turn off their electricity at midnight. I think ua momo hila. But yeah, it's been good. Can't wait for dinner now. Aia, tō whilawai. You just heard, if you want to go swimming, you have to wear your life jacket. These guys out there swimming in a life jacket. Jackson, whangai e tau ika. We're just waiting for dinner now. Oh, yum! Oh, the salsa. Here we got the scrambled egg. Fried fish. These are my classic dishes. Ongelahi a mautolu. Leva ge dause mena kai. Toe la. Sundown. Yeah, we're about to have dinner now. Got the nice food. Scrambled egg, fried fish, chicken, hummus, curry. Rice, water, can't wait. Pakalawha atu makau, pongi atu. Hala hawha ono e mongo nei. Amana ke motou ki o ki safari I Tonga Tose. Hake ki longa e la. Morning peeps, just woke up. Morning peeps, just woke up. We're on our way to a safari on a boat. Just gonna go see some elephants and I think some wildlife. It's an hour safari and then when we come back mai liu mai ki kai pongi at breakfast before we go off at 10 o'clock. Got to check out at 10. It's been a good stay. Haven't had something like this before. This is the stuff you see on Instagram. We got to experience it. Looks good, but it's like camping. You got to share, and people around, and follow, give a man, but totahi mitaki overall. Okay, we'll try and get some footage of some wildlife. If not, hope you're well in Niue, hope you're well in Australia and New Zealand if you're watching, or wherever, China. Okay, tō whilawai ia. Pakalo whātu makau. lali o motolu ke kisia e tau elephant mo e tau monkey. E poki nei.
I want to go.
Whakalawha ki Macau, hoku mai motolu ki a restaurant. E mai eke ke wangahau Pālangi, si lali o ke wangahau Thailand. Ai maama ke wangahau Pālangi si manak lali o ke wangahau Pālangi ko hingoa ko e kau tom pla mo e pla kapong luak. Kau tom pla is rice soup with fish, and pla kapong luak is boiled snapper. So it's a bit of a learning experience, just using my language, Thai language. I'll get some bits soon, but yeah, that's me learning some Thai as well. Why not, eh? Hepe poke hako e tupe wangahau tumo. Okay, we're back for the gluai tot, fried banana. We like this. We came back to the hotel to eat this stuff. Koi whanga pusi whalai. Is it 10 baht each? Wow.
How many you think you eat?
โอเคลูกได้ลูก
These
เดี๋ยวป้าทำไมน้องเอาฝาเดียวลูกเอาแต่เนื้อลูก เอาเป็นฝาเปิด
these $1 each.
จ้าฝาเดียว
ว้าว
ฝาเดียวมันน่ากินกว่าจ้าพูดไทยได้นะ เนี่ยตีอย่างเนี้ยลูก
Wow.
หนู
This is the Thai
อยู่
style.
ในอยู่บ้านเลยนี่เขาตั้งตัว20 ตัวตั้งป้าเดียวนี่
Oh, she's
ตำ
say hafangi. She's
Oh.
yeah, a little bit.
ถึง
See?
ทำหอยอยู่เหรอเนี่ยน้องเขามาอุดหนุนหลานน้องเขาซื้อประจำ
Hey, mama, wangahau
เนี่ย
Thai.
หอยแมงคู่ที่ลวกเมื่อกี้น้องลวกไว้200เขาก็เอาหมด ถึงทำหอยฝาเดียวหนูไม่ได้มากกว่าเหรอ
Tosse. Wow.
อ๋อพี่เอาอันนี้มาด้วยนะสมุย
It's something really it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
We need to น้องอันนี้ด้วยนะ
That's Kenya. Oh,
เอาใส่อะไรไปได้
maso. Tosse tau masolo. Kai kaki the oyster. The oysters was 10 baht each, or 20 baht each, or 30 baht each. The sizes. So that's the fried mango. See? 10 baht, 20 baht, 30 baht each. So yeah, I think that right now it's 18 baht per New Zealand, $1.
ดูเนื้อสวยแต่เนาะ
Oh, wow, สวยสวย
ฝรั่งชอบเนี่ยอย่างนี้อ้ยย่า
Oh.
สุดยอด แค่ตัว20ก็อร่อยได้
That's she's a master. Gang. Whakalawha ki Macau. Niue, Singapore. Just getting off the SkyTrain. Looking for my gate. Oh. Yep. I don't know how to speak any Singaporean, but here we are. Got a bit nervous on the SkyTrain. Got off my flight and it was on the SkyTrain. I was like, damn it, I got no money, but the SkyTrain is free. Singapore looks pretty modern, looks pretty flash. I'm just feel a bit funny because I'm not with my family. Terminal 3. Manila, Terminal 3, Gate B5. B5. Alright, fair. Whakalawhatu. Shout out to all the followers. Big bowler, keep training. To the La Joe, smash out the wakas. My brother Joe, he's back into wakas, and yeah, I think they're going for the 20,000k race. I'm not too sure, but they came 6th. It was an international race. Quite a couple of them came over from Hawaii, Japan, Tahiti, I think Australia maybe, and he came 6th out of 26 competitors, which is awesome. But yeah, ei loa e whanau ki whē, ko e manako ke whanau ke B5. Ki sea. Aia, aonga whakatū mau e Niue, so I'm still trying to use the wangahau Niue. This is the first time I've come to holiday in Thailand and I've bought credit, you know, for data, and it's the best thing I've ever been done. I've been able to keep in contact with the family and friends. Mai eke ke motutaki mo tau kapisinga mo mga whaua. Mai eke ke aonga e wangahau Niue se whewhelahi o. Okay, I better get back. I'll message you guys when I get to Manila. Aia, to whewhaia. Whakalawhatu makau. You ever heard of Singapore having these gardens in there? I just found it just by wandering around. This garden's got a whole lot of butterflies. It's good to come out and get some fresh air. You're in the aircon too long, sometimes it's easy to catch cold, eh? I don't like the aircon. Yeah, so this is the butterfly area. You're only allowed like 30 people at a time. Full just trying to think, how did those guys get there? Oh, it's in here. Yeah, so Singapore, I think their currency is, their dollar's a bit stronger. In New Zealand you get 76 cents Singapore money for $1. Check this out. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Change of scenery. I got a 3-hour wait for my flight to leave, so those, see those butterflies? Nice and peaceful. Good for the mental health to come and get some hot air. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. My Thai has gone way better. Yindi tirairu chak from chu John Eric ma chak ti Niue. Pom dai mai nit noi put pasa Thai, pasa Niue, pasa Maori, pasa English. So yeah, I'm just trying it. Pretty much what I've done is I've converted how I was learning the Niue language to learning the Thai language. Basically all it is giving it a go. Yeah, that's why I reckon we could learn something from the Samoans and the Tongans with their language. Because from what I see from my friends, they don't care, they just speak. But if you're Samoan and Tongan and can't speak your language, apologize for generalizing. But that's what I see, so I just don't even care when I speak Thai. Every opportunity I get, I'll practice what I've learned and keep practicing it. But yeah, this place is full of Sue Ma. So I'm gonna go back in. See you in Philippines. I think I've run out of space on my camera. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm in the Philippines in the hotel. Just finished a workout. On my way to get a breakfast now. We'll see if I'll sinos whanau ke mo e tau kai pongi pongi. Hope you guys are well. If you're still watching this far, dang, some true followers out there. Shout out to you, Elaine, Lee Makavani. Condolences to your mom. Yeah, I forget everyone else, but I'll remember them. Oh, sorry, boss. Wrong side. Morning, wrong side. Just walking up the wrong side. Get some footage of some food. This is breakfast. Look at that. Waka. Having some breakfast. Right. Look at that. good. That's what's that? Papaya, watermelon. So this is what I got. Tau 4 more falai, 4 more moi waka, moi pulupovi, moi tau tunu pusi. Got me 2 fried eggs, 2 scrambled eggs, some bacon. When I saw the corned beef, I just had to get it with some steamed bananas. I don't usually eat breakfast, but the tautupe is a bit tosse at the moment, so eating breakfast because breakfast is complimentary. So, and then the next meal will be at the wedding today. We're not allowed to take cameras there, but yeah, I thought I'd just send this now. Everyone's sitting down there. Everyone's here early at 6. I didn't realize they were there, but all good. I'm eating my 2 Samoan mates outside vaping, Henry and Sam. Shout out to those guys for coming. I think if it was just me that came, it would feel a bit different, so having them here. I've only had maybe 3 or 4 hours sleep last night. Yeah, so I apparently come at 6 in the morning, so it's not that busy. But love it, ko whanga kai pongi, whiwhi lahi au. Shout out to my sister Missy and my mum. Tau se haulonga I o kawana. Tau se mongo nei, ko e aho ua e aho nei. Momoka lahi, missed out. But I booked this too long ago, and but yeah, ka lofi hard. Tau ami ula, moi tau mako, o tūlai o pui o alofi. Oh, is the brother here? Yeah, my man getting married. No cameras allowed, but congratulations.
No.
Yeah, he's the man.
No, only for the garden ceremony. So once you sit there, yeah, once the ceremony starts, no phone.
Okay.
No phone, no camera.
Yeah.
But after we walk, then you can.
Okay. Well, there you go. I can take my camera now. Yeah. Let's get bit because I'll get some footage of the food there. Hiya, I better kai because hongi lahi manawa haku ei kai lahi meafu. Didn't eat much yesterday, so I'm gonna have a big breakfast, then wait till dinner. So yeah, this is round 1. I'll probably go for maybe 3 or 4 rounds. Yeah, okay. It's got me some meleni, some huki fa, and 4 loku, moi tau fusi. Whew. This is the breakfast table. This is a Thai Filipino dish.
Yeah.
What's it called? Tasaba. And what's pico? What's pico?
Pico is composed of rice.
Rice. Okay, rice.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
With sugar.
And yeah, I'm gonna try this too.
This one is cassava.
Cassava. Oh.
Cassava.
Pasaba. Thank you, man. Pasaba and pico. Hey.
Okay, and other ingredients.
Woo! Can't wait. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, boss. Can I try that? It was suggested by the worker. All right, last meal before I gap it. Okay, trying the pico. What does the pico taste like? Pretty sweet. And this is the still don't know what he said. I think I prefer this one better. I know they're both sweet and got sugar. I'm trying not to eat sugar, but just for today, I can really feel the sugar rushing to my head like a drug. Getting, and they're like telling me eat more, but I'll just finish these and then I'll get it. Yeah, these are very nice, but I perfect. I'll pick that one, prefer that one.
As you can see behind me, there's a volcano that I've covered. Tau, I think. It's where this restaurant is there. This beautiful place is called Tau Vista. There you go. It's a bit of history. Back to my... Hey, Tau Vista.
Talked about the skucks, eh? First night.
So how was that massage? It was like What was your reply?
Oh, I got a friend in the
Oh,
hotel. His name is Sam.
Alright, that's episode 1 for Sam's podcast. Thank you, Sam. Email never ending, eh?
Never ending at Gmail, eh?
Okay. Whakalawha to Macau. I just thought I'd show you a bit of the view. It's bloody full wala e motu nei. Ai e sila volcano. Ai amazing. Full wala ha ia e motu nei. Tali o e taxi ki pick us up ke ota motoro ki wedding venue. Hope you guys are good. Got my tau kahoa hihi to represent Niue out in the Philippines. Hope you guys are well. We'll get some vids of the food when I get there. Hiya, the full video. Headed to the wedding. A bit late, but got there in the end. But Brother Henry, Sam, met this guy named Titoy. It's pretty nice. Yeah, have a look. So I think this is like some snacks. Another one. Ooh,
Someone's passing the line.
Yeah. Yum. Going into reception now. Just looking forward to the food, eh? Looking forward to the food. And going to check out my name. 37. I am 6A, yes. 6A.
6A here.
Oh yeah, 6A. Alright. Here we go. The brothers. We made it. This place is pretty fancy. These table runners.
How's it going? Welcome back. We just witnessed the father-daughter dance and the bride and groom dance. Absolutely magnificent. By Lily Shin.
Yeah, welcome to Egan's wedding. This is Samuel.
Please say my full name.
John.
Just say my full name.
Yeah, it's been good lately. Just the waiting, but it's alright, we're here. Welcome to the Philippines.
We'll just have to wait and see what the night holds for the boys of the night.
All that missed out. Too bad for you guys. Next time. Probably my wedding next time. Yo. Sorry.
Got fish, beef, ribs, and something else. Looks good, smells good. Now we're coming towards the food. Coming towards the veggies. Yeah, got that one. Thank you, boss. Piece of fish. Thank you. Thank you. Just getting everything. This is gonna be hungry. Thank you. Getting everything. Thank you. Yum. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I have
The dessert here. Pungi atu, pakalofat Macau. Oh man. Talamai sister haku mo matuku fine mo kapusinga haku ko Sampusi. Missed out big time, man. Halonga. Very proud of you guys, especially the Red Army. Tula yo, pui yo, alofi. Army Kula. Yeah, man, I was so happy. Thanks, shout out to Sam for sending me some vids and pics of my mum performing, and my sister Miss for informing me of the backstage antics of my mum. Wish I could have been there, but I couldn't. Pese ni pepe au ke ilo e tau tangata Niue ke langa ki Niue anga whakamotu tō kolongo, tō kōli, mo e mai ki ke whakawhetuianga, ke whileweia, ke whiawhia. But yeah, man, wish I was there back in NZ performing for the Holonga Festival. Amazing. Very sad I missed out, but hey. Oe na ia. That's how it is, that's life. I'm on my last day in the Philippines, having breakfast. I just wanted to show you this breakfast here. It's like coco laisa, but it's kind of a bit thicker. It's kind of like the Samoan stuff, but they put milk and I've got milk powder as a condiment. It's bloody delicious. Koi whanga, monongi haia. Got my usual fruits today. It's pineapple, hoki wha, meleni, moe aki, peo. But yeah, this stuff is good. I don't know what they call it. It's amazing. So I call it Filipino coco laisa. But yeah, if you look at the hotel, it is packed. It's packed in there. Puke, pale. Longa tō tangata Filipino mai ke kaya kai pongipongi I loa e tō tangata nofo taha po ke ua tula ke kai ke whiawhia, e sepe. Man, a lot of people here just come to eat 2 hours sitting enjoying their meal. Man, I think I've had my 3rd or 4th plate. Just gonna keep on filling up because it's about Malapiha 7:30, hawhawhitu e Mongonei, and my flight back to Thailand is hawhawhitu e Awhiawhi, about 12 hours from now. So I'm just going to fill up now, see if I can fast until I get back to Thailand and eat tomorrow morning, tomorrow lunch. But we'll see, man. Shout out to everyone again for the Holonga Festival, all the villages, all the 13 villages, and family that perform. Yeah, okay. That's the name, champorado. They also have rice soup.
As you can see, the wild beast of the what is it? The never ending. The never ending. Now awake, and he's willing to disclose what happened last night when both John and I were asleep.
This is the Manila airport. This is Jollibee. Apparently this is famous. Filipino. After a while the airport's just another airport. But here we are in Philippines. I was meant to buy a mango peach pie from this place. But it's too packed. Too packed from this place. Apologies to Isabelita. She said, oh, if you go there, buy a pie, but I'm not too keen on this food. It's busy though. Yeah. It's full. Just hard. Must be Filipinos kept it a secret. Never heard of Jollibees. That's all good. I'm gonna go wait for my flight. Got a few hours, so just gonna find somewhere, click onto YouTube and wait. Okay, for the video. Alafat Mako. Hoko ki Bangkok. Wowie Platinum.
Wait, guys.
Platinum
Mom.
Ten. Toko longa tau tangata, longa tau tangata, longa tau whale kaloa. Mai o motolu ke whakatau tau mena. Lave lave, lole lole, fia fia. Some peeps were in Bangkok, just arrived to Bangkok, we come shopping. Heaps of people packed. We've got the Samui Mafia brought us in here. Brought us, the kid's grandfather brought us around to go shopping in Bangkok. Everyone's done their shopping. Tired. We caught the train here from the airport, which was interesting. Hurry, go sit over there. Go sit there next to him. So yeah, we're just in Bangkok. It's pretty cheap. Much cheaper than NZ. Way cheaper. Just trying to keep a track of everyone. Food's cheap, clothes are cheap, much cheaper than where we were. This is the heart of shopping. You can get a lot of good deals. After shopping, we're going to go find some dinner, so get some footage. And then, yeah, happy everyone's well. Thanks for watching. Still missed out on the halonga. But that's all good. Next time my Thai's getting better, my whole Thai's getting better. And yeah, I've had a great trip. Had an awesome trip. So yeah, okay. Hasta luego. We're just outside the main market. Got all these. Where's? Got some more. Long atau motaka. Just like Queen Street, eh? Just like Queen Street traffic. Bella, Yahoo. Hello, Foki. We're just walking now back to we're finding somewhere to eat. And everyone's hustling. Everyone's selling on the streets, selling in the shop. So busy. Jackson's just running ahead. Son, slow down, Jackson. Busy, man. Gotta keep an eye on Whakakia, tau tama neke, ngalo. Gotta keep an eye on the kids. Yeah. Love it. We're just walking. Here goes Niue from Samui. Niue Lamai. Oh, he's showing us around. He bought a lot of gifts for the kids. And now we're just going to find some food. Busy. Bangkok. Look at this. Look at this building. See that? That lights? Something for Sky City. Yo, we just pulled into a restaurant, Thai restaurant, Thai-licious. Everyone's tired. Got the team here. Everyone's ordering. We've been having the time of our life here. It's going to end tomorrow. We're heading back to New Zealand. Had a good time to spend with Danielle's family, her dad, her uncle, her stepmom, and also it was good to be a part of the Mauku. The farewell 100 days anniversary. Yeah, so we're just here, look out there, it's just a crazy street hop, and now we're in this place. This place feels like we're in Chiang Mai. I've ordered uluika. The old classic, reminds me of my mom, uluika. Fish head with sour bamboo. But yeah, okay. Ke mo nui me whakaoe mai ke ono na mai to ke whanga. If you see me in New Zealand, you can see me anywhere. Come say hi. Utala Niue. Aia,